New England is different than Frontpoint in a couple of ways. I would first and foremost say that Frontpoint is a great company. They really did develop the do-it-yourself installation space, and they sell very high quality equipment. However, we're a little bit different. The first way in which we're different is that we've been doing this for 44 years. So when it comes to custom designing a security system, our security consultants are going to know how to do it better than anybody. The second way we're different from them is we actually sell, help you install, and service a full range of smart home automation products. We provide tech support to those door locks over time. It's all going to come in one box once you've bought it, and we're going to help you install each piece of it. So even though you have a do-it-yourself installation model, security and smart home automation are entirely integrated. This third way that I would say we're really different than a Frontpoint is that we run our own central station. Frontpoint doesn't. They outsource it to a third party. So we are a company, you buy it from one company, you get tech support from one company, it's monitored by one company, billing, and we're a family-owned business. So while we have 27,000 customers that we support around our New England footprint, we are the company that's monitoring your system. We're going to take really good care of you and make sure you're properly protected. There's one other way in which we're different. DIY installations are really, really cool. And it's great to be able to call in to a top tier tech support team to get help on your system, of which we have as well. However, there's going to come a day, if you have a large security system and smart home automation system, that you are going to want an alarm technician to come to your house and service it for you. And Frontpoint can't do that. They are just a DIY company, whereas we have 40 trucks on the road, and we'll send somebody out very quickly to take good care of you.